Hey, I would like to show you one of my houses, how the renter left after they move it out. Looks like a little jungle here. Always when I rent it, they have a clean yard. Small tree become big, it's taller than me. If I let it grow, it would cost me a lot of money later on to cut it. So that's why I try to cut it from the roots so that they will not come back. There is a lot of trash here. I need to change this door. They broke it. This hardwood floor is just 3 years old. I probably will not change it, I just let it like it is. This room looks like I need to paint it. I will try just to paint it where it needs it so that I save time and money. This is one of the rooms that look the nicest. Just I have little work to do. The switch is broke, so I have to change it. They decided to paint, so this cabin was white, the wall was white, so now it's green and blue. I'm really impressed at how people live. I will never do such a thing to nobody. I never did and I never will. I still remember the previous renter, she asked for the deposit back, which she had 5 kids. Every wall had some food on the walls, and the fridge was so nasty, it took me over 2 hours to clean it. It's impressive how nasty they can let the fridge. My fridge will never be like this. This bad bacteria is the dirt. So I have to change those blinds, put in brand new again. They decided to paint this room green, and they did an okay job. The only thing I have to change is to put white on baseboard so that I don't have to do the whole room. Probably I'll end up with this furniture just throwing away. So it's pretty nasty here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Until next time. Hey, today I'm at the Hartselle house. I want to say that my mother died of lung cancer. I had to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to keep her alive and save her life. I didn't have any luck. The reason was because she was a smoker, and I questioned myself, if I was a big company that sells tobacco, would I do this for money, even though I love money? The answer was no. I had to spend several thousand cutting this tree, because I saw the news in Romania that people in USA died because the tree fallen on the house. This tree was huge, probably 3 times bigger than the house, bigger than this tree. And also a celebrity like Michael Jackson advertising sodas that is drinking and is good, which is not good neither this, because sodas make you have diabetes and other health problems. So I love Michael Jackson music. I was in love by him when I was a teenager, but I wish celebrities that they're paid a lot of money for those advertising shorten the life of other human, and they say they drink it but they don't drink it because they have to be healthy and fit. and sodas make people to gain weight. So they're not fit because drinking soda. I don't believe it. It's just for money. So I will show you how looks the house inside. You remember the trees was taller than me here. It was like a small jungle. So this is the living room. I changed the receptacle that was broke, if you remember in the previous video. I had a helper that did some touching of paint. This is the first bedroom. The last renter, she let those pretty curtains, so I let it for the new renter because I do love it. Also, here is something to hold the TV that I'm gonna keep it. Every time the renter lets something positively, I let it because it's more value to the house. So this is the bathroom. This mirror, I love it. It's royal. I love to buy royal things. And I still remember I was on a estate sale and I was admiring me in the mirror, and a guy told me, every time you want to see something beautiful, just look in the mirror. So it touches my heart. I get high on true compliments. This is another bedroom. The last renter added those designing on the wall, and I keep it because I find it beautiful. Also, she put this on the wall, and I found it pretty, so I keep it. I decided to make this like a dressing room, have a lot of shelves. So I'm going to show you now the kitchen. This is the kitchen. The stove, I got it for 50% off. My last renter let this jewelry box in the house. She just did not need it. So my new renter, I asked her, hey, do you want to have it? They said, yes, I found it pretty. I always love to give things to other people that may be useful and make them happy. I do love the pattern of this tile, the way it's staggering. You're gonna see this often. As you can see, I put in new blinds. What was my job in this house? I did a cleaning, and I tried to remove the paint where it was in the wrong place. This is the last bedroom. I keep this holder for the new renter, and yeah, I like this green color because I find it's not bad looking. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time.